Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are reviewing HoneyBooks. HoneyBooks basically help freelancers and small businesses to manage their invoices, contracts, and projects. But is it worth it in 2025? Let's find out. So HoneyBook has a clean, user-friendly dashboard where you can handle invoicing, proposals, client communication in one place. However, new users may take time to explore all the features, but you get used to it by time. So if you talk about customization and designs, you can customize contracts, payment schedules, and work outflows to fit your business needs. The built-in templates make it proposal and invoices look professional, but some advanced customization is limited. If you talk about growth and automation, they have all reminders, follow-ups, and also help you save your time and focus on clients. But if you need a complex CRM features, platforms like Duetso and Zoho CRM might be a better choice. Now, if we talk about pricing, if you can see right here, there is a free trial which you can start from here. And the basic pricing starts at around $19 per month. I mean $29 per month, and it can go up to like a premium thing which offers you $109 per month. Now the thing is that if you ask me my view on this, I'll say if you want a simple all-in-one business management tool, HoneyBook is definitely a great choice. But if you need more advanced CRM tools, consider alternatives like Dubsado or FreshBooks, which might be a better choice. And if you go on their website, you can see that they have a 2 month free annual plans. Like if you buy the annual plan, you can get a 2 month free on that. So I hope this video was helpful for you for comparing HoneyBooks, their reviews, the features, templates, and pricing. And with that, thank you so much for watching.